They say, if a union is dissolved, and one partner leaves for another, can they return? Does that not blemish the land? You have pursued many others, but return to me, says the Lord.
Lift up thine eyes unto the high places, and see where thou hast not played the harlot. Thou hast sat in wait by the ways, as an Arabian in the wilderness, and hast defiled the land with thy harlotry and with thy wickedness.
Therefore the rain is withheld, and there is no latter rain. But in thee was the forehead of a harlot, and thou wouldst not be ashamed.
Will thou cry unto me from henceforth? My Father, thou art the guide of my youth.
Will he be angry forever? Will he be angry forever? Lo, thou speakest, and doeth evil as thou canst. Moreover, the Lord said unto me in the days of the king, Hath thou seen what backsliding Israel has done? How she goes up upon every high hill, and under every green tree, and plays the harlot there.
And after she had done all this, I said, Return unto me. But she returned not, and her treacherous sister Judah saw it. And it pleased me for all that backsliding Israel had committed adultery, to send her away, and to give her a bill of divorcement. But her treacherous sister Judah feared not, but went and played the harlot also. And she polluted the land more with her whoredoms, for she committed adultery with stone and with wood. And for all this, her treacherous sister Judah returned not unto me with her whole heart, but in deceit, saith the Lord.
Therefore the Lord said unto me, Backsliding Israel is more justified than treacherous Judah. Go and proclaim these words toward the north, and say, Return, backsliding Israel, saith the Lord, and I will execute my wrath upon you. For I am merciful, saith the Lord, I will not be angry forever. Only acknowledge thine iniquity, that thou hast transgressed against the Lord thy God, and hath gone up to strangers under every green tree, and hath not hearkened unto my voice, saith the Lord.
Return, ye backsliding children, saith the Lord, for I am an husband unto you, and I will take you, one of a city, and two of a family, and will bring you to Zion.
And I will give you shepherds according to mine own heart, which shall feed you with knowledge and understanding. And when ye be multiplied and increased in the land, says the Lord, it shall no more be said, the ark of the covenant of the Lord. Neither it come to mind, nor come to mind, neither shall they go to it, nor seek it any more.
At that time shall Jerusalem be called the throne of the Lord, and all nations shall be gathered unto it, to the name of the Lord in Jerusalem. Neither shall they walk any more after the imagination of their evil heart. At that time shall the house of Judah walk with the house of Israel, and shall come together out of the land of the north, into the land that I gave to your fathers for an inheritance. But I said, How shall I set thee among the children, and give thee a pleasant land, a pleasant inheritance of many people? And I said, Thou shalt call me, my father, and thou shalt not turn away from me.
Surely as a wife dealeth treacherously with her neighbor, so have ye dealt treacherously with me, O house of Israel, saith the Lord. Let a voice be heard upon the high places, weeping, and supplications of the children of Israel. For they have perverted their way, they have forgotten the Lord their God. Return, ye backsliding children, and I will heal your backslidings. Behold, we come unto thee, for thou art the Lord our God. Surely the hills are in vain, and the multitude of the mountains. Surely in the Lord our God is the salvation of Israel. For this shame hath devoured the labor of our fathers from our youth, their flocks and their herds, their sons and their daughters.
We lie down in our shame, and our confusion covereth us. For we have sinned against the Lord our God, we and our fathers, from our youth even unto this day, and have not obeyed the voice of the Lord our God.